Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome to my laboratory. So today's video is long overdue and much needed. I'm going to show you guys how I built my own craft closet. I'll have everything I used in the description box below. If you felt inspired to make one too, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, join my group on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, of course the first step to this project is to assemble our bookcases. I purchased 4 5-shelf bookcases from Target, and I'm just going to follow the directions provided and put my bookshelves together. And of course this project was inspired by the fact that I want a Dreambox so bad, but I am not going to pay those Dreambox prices, okay? So, if you can't buy, I will DIY. That is like my life motto, okay? And the best part of this project, you guys, is I spent $250. Yes, $250 versus $2,000. And I can live with that. I think I did a very good job. And I'm super happy with this. Now, this will be part one. I'll just be assembling the bookshelves today, but later on we'll do another part where I actually decorate and organize my craft closet. I definitely suggest having a power drill for this project because hand screwing 4 bookshelves together, you'll be there all day. And for 2 of my bookshelves, I put this back part on with the brown is supposed to be facing up. For 2 of them I put the brown facing up, and then for 2 of them I put the white. I turned it over and let the white side show because the white side will be my doors, and I didn't want the brown being seen. So once we complete our bookshelves, we'll go ahead and add our wheels. And I just took a ruler and measured 1 inch from the top, bottom, and all sides. And once I was finished measuring, I just went ahead and drilled the wheels into the 4 corners. So once we're done with our wheels, we'll go ahead and add our hinges, and this is to connect our bookcases and keep them together. I'm using 2-inch hinges that I purchased from Home Depot, and I'm adding them to the top, bottom, and middle of the bookcases. And I'll do the same thing for the doors, add them to the top, bottom, and middle. And you guys, this project is super easy, but it is just a little time consuming. This took me 2 days and about 4 naps to complete. And this is what it looks like when we're all done. Now here's a quick recap because I know I went fast. Add your hinges to the back by the top, bottom, and middle, and to the very top of the bookcase, like there. When you add your doors, you'll just want to add your hinges to the top, bottom, and middle. And this will allow you to be able to swing your doors open all the way back. And it's nice and sturdy. And by adding the wheels, we can just easily move this craft box from one part of the house to the next. And you guys, the best part of this project is I spent $236.58. Okay? As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share.